Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we visited the Dawes Arboretum in Newark, Ohio, and we are now headed back to Columbus. But I decided to do a little side quest because as I was passing through Newark on our way to the Arboretum, a building caught my eye. It was sitting in the middle of a public square in what looked like a little park setting, and I was just really curious to see what it is, so we're going to do a quick stop over in Newark and kind of explore this building and see what it is. So we are headed there now. Thanks a lot for coming along. So here we are approaching that public square area. And there's that building that I was talking about. Just very curious to see what that is. As you can see, it's a very nice looking building. Very impressive there sitting in that square. So we're going to go explore that. Like I said, again, I'm kind of pressed for time. I kind of have to get back to Columbus, so I only have about 20 minutes to spend here. So we're going to walk around the building, walk around that square. I don't know if we're going to be able to go inside there, whatever it is. So let's just take a quick look and see what this whole thing is about. Okay guys, so apparently this is the Licking County Courthouse, and it has been a courthouse since its construction way back in 1876. I am actually really surprised about that. I thought it would be some type of maybe city hall or something, or a museum, but it's been a courthouse ever since its inception. And it has 4 main entrances, each guarded by a statue of the Lady of Justice holding a sword, and there is a centrally located bell tower. Apparently also, fun fact, is during the holidays, during Christmas time, this whole building is lit up, and it's quite a draw for not only the locals but the people that live around this region, just to see this place lit up during the holidays. And as you can see, as we walk around here, from the time that this place was built, how the city of Newark has grown around it, as this public square has now become the true center of Newark, as the courthouse is now surrounded by retail, restaurants, all kinds of other businesses for the people of this area and visitors to explore and enjoy their day. There is plenty of free parking. I might add, I noticed that all around the square there's plenty of parking. There's also a parking garage, I believe, somewhere here I read. So yeah, really a nice place to come visit and kind of explore what Newark has to offer. What's really neat about this place also is the number of traffic circles and roundabouts that they have situated just about on every corner. It makes the traffic both for pedestrians and the cars move pretty smoothly from my short time here from observing. It seems to be a nice system, so I thought that was pretty neat. There is another famous Newark landmark, which is the former headquarters of the Longaberger Corporation, a building shaped as a giant basket. And of course we have to mention the Newark Earthworks, part of Ohio's first and only UNESCO World Heritage Site. recognizing the Hopewell culture. We made a video of this place, video 169 if you're interested. Okay everyone, time to head out. Let's go ahead and maneuver our way through the city of Newark and head back to Columbus.
Quite some time, and I don't know if you have heard that in my world you're the light. Yeah, yeah. So buy me time, oh buy me time, baby. Oh, I know it's in the laid out. Just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.